Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video we will do workout for reducing your breast fat. For first exercise we will do arm circles, 10 on each side. 1, 2, make it big, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Second exercise, hands like this and cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 of these. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Third exercise, hands to the front and swing like this. Like this. 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job on opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. Fourth exercise, hands like this, fly, fly. 10 of these. 1, 2, side move, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. So these are 4 exercises. So now for fifth exercise, we will get back to this wall and we will do wall push-ups. Hands in front of chest. Push down and push up. Push down and push up like this. We will do 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these were the exercises you can do to reduce your breast fat. This is a very effective exercise. Do it in morning, especially on empty stomach, to get great result in just 1 week.